Oh no, I forgot my medicine at home. What am I going to do now? I only have a few pills left. I need this medicine every day.
Let's check the suitcase again. Maybe it's hiding somewhere inside.
I checked every pocket and every bag. I still can't find my medicine anywhere. What if I can't get my medicine tonight?
I really need it every day. Don't worry, dear. We can ask the hotel for help. Let's call the front desk right now.
Hello, can you help me, please? Is there a pharmacy near this hotel? That's wonderful news. Thank you so much. The pharmacy is only 2 blocks away.
Let's go now before it gets dark. We can get your medicine and enjoy our trip.
The pharmacy is very close. We'll solve this problem in just a few minutes.
Don't worry, Grandpa. We'll find a solution together. The front desk said the pharmacy is nearby, so let's keep walking. Look, Grandpa. That's the pharmacy right there. We found it just in time.
Excuse me, I forgot my medicine at home during our trip. Can you help me find this medicine, please?
Don't worry, Grandpa. I'm sure they will find the medicine soon. We came all this way together, and everything will be okay.
They found my medicine. I was so worried before, but now I feel much better. Thank you so much. You saved our trip today. Thank you for helping me find the right medicine today. We really appreciate your kindness and support.
What a relief. Now I can enjoy the rest of our trip without worrying. I'm so glad we found the medicine before it became a bigger problem.
I'm so happy we found your medicine today. Now we can finally relax and enjoy our trip.
This trip almost started with a big problem, but everything worked out in the end. I'm thankful you stayed calm and helped me through it.
Thank you for joining us on today's adventure. We hope you learned some useful English with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you again in our next story.